What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to recreate an AI app that is making $1 million a month in just a couple of minutes with AI. You don't need any coding experience or whatsoever, so it's going to be a very easy to follow, so let's get started. Alright, so this is the app that we're going to go ahead and recreate. It is called Anki Mobile Flashcards, and as you can see, it's making $1 million a month, which is insane. And if we look at the screenshot, it's super simple. It's literally just a flashcard builder. So we're gonna go ahead and just build the AI version of this in just literally a couple minutes without writing any line of code. And for this, we are gonna be using anythingai.com. So you search it on Google and create a free account. And basically now we just need to write our prompt. Now there's a thing, and it's super important to mention. The more precise and more detailed your prompt is, the better result that you get. I mean, it's not the same just writing make me a flashcard builder app than writing make me a flashcard builder app where the first screen has this specific button and this color and the target audience is this and that and everything, right? So to make your lives easier, I've created a free universal AI prompt that you can use download, and this is literally perfect because it will save you hours. And guess what? It is free on my school community, which is linked in the description, so just join right now. So on the post, just click this PDF and download it. And then basically open up ChatGPT and just drag the prompt into here. And then basically just ask ChatGPT to basically shape your app idea into this guide. And it will be super easy because ChatGPT will basically use the actual guide to make you the best prompt for your app. Okay, so I want to create a flashcard builder app. So using this prompt guide, basically fill it in with my idea. It is an iOS app. Now, very important, any field that I missed explaining, basically just skip it, okay? And also try to find the target audience and some other stuff that you think is relevant for this app. Okay, and with that said, ChatGPT will use the PDF that we attached to shape our flashcard builder app, which is what I described. And now in a couple of seconds, we'll have the exact prompt with all the detail that we have to run into Anything AI to create our app. And here we go, we have the whole description, the target users, the core features, and everything that ChatGPT mentioned. So now we can go ahead and just copy this and basically now go to Anything AI and basically just paste it in. And then with that said, we can leave everything by default and just click on this arrow. And now Anything AI will start to build our app in just a couple of minutes. Okay, and as you can see, Anything AI just finished making our app. We have all the features, IO design and everything over here. And then of course we have the app itself right here. And as you can see, we have decks that we can create. We have stats of our accuracy when actually revising these flashcards to help us remember all this stuff. We have a settings menu with notifications, reminders, and themes and everything, and then the actual deck editor, which is where we create the decks. I mean, this is crazy, right? We even have some pre-made decks that ChatGPT mentioned and then Anything AI created, and then we can actually start studying them. So we have hello, hola, right? Because it's from Spanish vocabulary, and then you say, okay, actually I won this, okay, good. Goodbye, adios, good. Thank you, gracias, good. You see, and then we can start it done for now. We can create our own deck. We go to deck editor, we create our own deck, like whatever else, right? This like that, and then save, and then we start adding the cards and the front side, the back side. I mean, this is literally the app that we copied, but with a modern design and made in 5 minutes without needing to write any line of code. So now basically you could go up here and you start to add any additional changes that you want to make. Obviously, for my case, I don't want to make any more modifications. This is literally perfect, but imagine you wanted to make the theme white. You go here and write, okay, make the theme white instead, or add this feature, remove this feature, change the stuff. It is super easy. It's literally just talking with a super programmer, and just the programmer is doing it right away. But of course, not a programmer, it's an AI. And that's it guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn how to build AI apps. Remember to join my free school community, the link is in the description, to get access to all these insane prompts that literally helps you build AI apps. Now yes, with all said, bye bye.